Okay, in this tutorial we're going to build some RSS feeds. What this is going to take is a module to show the RSS feed. We're going to use a load position statement to place that into an article, and then we're going to finally go in and link that article. Here's our current page, and I've done a couple of these already. So if I go to accounting, this is actually pulling up an article where it's basically just pulling all the RSS feed information from an outside source into the article. So we can go in here and we can click and view the actual job. And we're changing from this. We had some links that just went straight to the RSS feed text, but we want to actually feed those into our website. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open a couple of these. And I'm going to go up here and actually copy my address. And I'm going to go to Extensions and Module Manager. And currently I have this filter just so I'm seeing only my feeds. And you do that by just adding feed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on New. And this needs to be a feed display. And I'm going to go ahead and add my feed URL. And I'm going to go hop back over here. And this is called Business Finance Jobs, so I'm trying to keep that very consistent as I flip back and forth through here. And in front of these I'm putting feed slash or dash, and I'm going to go ahead and hide this title. We don't need the title. And these next ones are pretty important. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and select just a few little options over here. So feed title, if I leave that on, that's going to put another hyperlink up at the top that hyperlinks to the actual RSS feed. So I'm going to leave that off. We don't need that. And I'm going to go down here to advanced options, and we want to change this to feed with images. I know that sounds strange, but that brings over the styling. So what we also need to do is we need to make sure we give this a unique position. Now I'm going to make up my own position, and I'm going to call this in all lowercase just to be simple, feed dash business dash finance. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this. And I have a notepad right here, so I'm just going to place my address right there. Oh, I need to fix that. So no spaces in it. Let me fix that a little bit. Okay, so no spaces, and I want this on all pages, but it's not actually going to show on all pages. It's only going to show in the article that we loaded in because we gave it this unique position. So everything looks good here. I'm going to change the feed items. This is how many actually show up, to 15. You can make this whatever you like. And everything else looks good. And I'm going to save and close. Okay, and next I'm going to go over to my article manager. And I'm going to go ahead and I have created a category called Feed Displays, which is actually housing all of my articles that pertain to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a brand new one. And I'm going to go over here and make sure that I have Business Finance Jobs. And I'm going to make sure it's in the Feed Displays category. And on this, I want to hide my title. And I need to give it the content. So to do that, I'm going to do this bracket and load position. And I'm going to go back over here to my unique position, and I'm going to copy this, go back to my editor, and close that. And let me make sure I have everything I need here. Everything looks good. It's public, and my show title is hidden, so this doesn't show. It's actually going to pull the title from the feed, but it will match in case we need to go find it later. So I'm going to click on Save and Close. And next, I want to look up my article. Let me do away with that. This is my article that has all my links in it. And I'm going to go down here to a hyperlink. That was the finance one, so I'm going to edit this hyperlink. And instead of going here, I want to go to my actual article that we just created. So that is under content, and it was under the category of feed displays. And it was the business finance jobs. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on update. And I'm going to click on save. So now, if I go over here and view my page, this is my page. Let's hit refresh. I click on finance. Here's what it looks like. That's all there is to it. Thanks.